Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us all here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down description of that video. Or go choose depending on your trading style and the timeline. It will sort your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when you put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram and Discord, where we're giving daily signals there. The link of our VIP Discord and Telegram, they are down in the description of that video. By the way, it's not expensive, it's only $10. And today also we get it in Telegram and Discord. Let me show you. As you see that the signal also we gave today to enter along, and look at it, that the earnings of today 11%, 12%, 14%, 15, 16, 18, 28, 33, and it's still going on. Even you can join us. The link of our Telegram and VIP Discord is it down in the description of that video. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see that the daily candle here, it's finished. After yesterday video, if you're watching yesterday video, everything is there in that red candle here or that pin bar here. It closed. We told you the market is going to reverse, and that's what's happening exactly today. The only thing, it's not completed yet. Let me be honest with you. Maybe the market is going to reverse because we don't know what's going to happen till now. That's what I'm waiting till now, because that's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting the market to go back and to break above that 200 moving average. Till now, there is no power to push up. That's when those was they want the Bitcoin to fall down. They still pushing down. That's normal. Also, we don't care about all that. Also, the market, it gave us an entry signal. We enter in it. Either it's going to reverse or to go up more. Also, we still holding. People, they've been with me here for long term. Also, we buy from here, here, and here. And I told you we got here a pending order here at that level here. Till now, it hasn't get triggered yet. So let's waiting more. But me personally, I think the market is going to reverse upward now, because everything is showing that, and there is no power to push more down. No one want to sell, and Bitcoin is coming for it. Very, very, very major news, because the ETF, and believe me guys, I'm going to tell it to you, fundamental Bitcoin is still looking very, 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 very stronger. So there is nothing will push it down. The only thing, we don't need to close the monthly candle like that, because if we close it like that, that's a very, very, very bad news. So let's hope those days will left for the monthly candle to close. The market will reverse upward at least just to here, to that 50 moving average here, because if it reverse like that, it's going to give us a pin bar in the monthly like that, and that indicating that the market is going to reverse. But if it closes like that, it's going to give us a monthly engulfing candle, and that is a very, very, very bad sign. But me personally, I'm thinking also we are going to reverse, because in the daily our indicator it touched the oversold area in 4 hours, same thing. That's why me I'm believing the market is going to reverse. Till now also we're still waiting the market to go up to that level here, to break that 50 moving average. If we don't break it, that means there is nothing here. So till now also we're still waiting, guys. So I think picture is too clear here. We don't need to make the video too long. Now let's go into see the coming news for today, for pictures to get more clear to you. So let's go in there. The coming news for today, guys, as you see it, that the coming news, that's what we got today. And as majority of you know, Thursday always going to be a major, major, major move. So that the news we got today, we got core durable goods orders. That one, it will not affect the market, and even the initial jobless claim, even that one, it will not affect the market. And down here is our friend, the table of us we're looking at it every day. As you see it, today is a very, 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 very green day in your stock. Also, me personally, I'm making very, very nice profit from just the SP500, because me I traded in Save This Broker, and I invest in it as ETF. For investment is a for long term. By the way, if you want to join us and to join our signals for long term, It's not that much. It's only $5 per month. The link of our VIP Discord is it down in the description of that video, because for your stocks we don't got a Telegram, we just got a Discord. If you want even you to join us, you can join us. The link of our VIP Discord is it down in the description of that video. So here everything's looking very good today. It's coming the earning of Nvidia and those things, but me I don't care about all that. Me I care just about what the market telling me. Market is telling me to buy. I started buying. Here is our friend, is the VIX. As you see it, it fell down again. Used to be 17, now it fell down to 15. That's mean everything still looking very good. Only one who still make me scared is that one. US dollar is still very high. That one it need to fall down a little bit for market to start reversing, guys. Till now if it's not, that's mean it's still a little bit of scarness. So everything is too clear here. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours, guys. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. Yes, you are right, my friend. Over here, yesterday we used to be here, exactly in that level here, in that green candle here. That where we put the video of yesterday. I told you we got here a very clear triangle like that. If it's getting broke, interlong. It's getting broke here. In that candle here, will give you interlong. And watch me, I told you something else. In yesterday video, you can find it still there. Just go back and watch it. I don't want to put it here because the video is going to be very long. I told you when we touch the 50 moving average, try to protect yourself. That's what I told you exactly in the last video. You can just go back and watch it. When we touch the 50 moving average, the market try to show us here like it's going to reverse. Should we get scared now? I don't know. I can't tell you we need to be scared because that level here, look at it, where we're reversing now, is the same level of the last high, which is here. You see it or no? So now here, what we got? Let me take it off those moving averages to show you that, guys. Look with me here, like that, and like that. And look with me down here, like that, and like that. And you came here to the top, and you do it like that. What you got here? People, they been with me. They know that pattern very well. We got here a flag. A very clear flag. You just need to close it here and to put a symbol here. It's going to be an inverted flag. Yes or no? Now, what that flag mean? The flag it mean is a continuation pattern that man the market is going to fall down, but me I trade it in a different way. Even if it's going to break here, you can enter long. So for those ones they haven't entered from that candle here, if that candle here, any candle came here and breaking the 50 moving average, you can enter long. But if the market reverse and breaking down here, you bring that line here and you put it like that from the top here till down here. That's where it's going to be your take profit, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go in to see our indicator, what it's telling us today. So let's go in there. Our indicator, you remember we used to be here. In yesterday video, we used to be here. We just breaking here. Me, I told you guys, you need to enter long. That's what me, I told you. Today we came here to that level here. Tell it to you before. But another thing very important here. Look with me here. You remember that trend line me I show you here? You remember it or no? It's getting broke here. Now also we are here in that border here. Should we be scared? Maybe you're going to see a small correction here like that. The market to fall down here to the trend line here like that. Then after that to go back up. And also all those smaller moves, we catch it in 30 minutes. Then also we're going to go with it again. So everything's still looking great, guys. So here in 4 hours, everything's still looking very great, because if that one is going to make a correction, it's going to come just to here. Then after that it will go back up. And you combine it with 30 minutes. Because if it fall down here, that means it's going to come to touch just the trend line which is here. You see it or no? Then from here, it's going to go back up. In 30 minutes till now, it's given me a short signal. You can enter in it if you want. But here in the 4 hours is only for long. Now here in the 4 hours, till it will touch in here the overbought area. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying, guys. That one here, guys, as you see it, it's being here at the oversold area. Give us here a price action as we enter long. Till now as we still holding, so there is nothing yet. So until it will touch in here at the oversold area, then we need to protect ourselves. Till now that one it will go more up, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Here, that the level me I told you. You see it or no? When it touches here, that candle here, it couldn't break it. It fell down, but there is no power to break that level here because you need to understand the market, how it's working. Here, that the supply and demand zone we used to have here. You see it or no? It's getting broke here. The market, what it done? Came up, it fell down, it touching that one here. Now, for us to know the market is going to continue, it needs to go back up and to break for us that last high, which is here. If it doesn't break it, that's when the market is going to come tail here and to fall down and to give you here a M like that. Yes or no? Now, what shall we do at this time here? Because now we got here a uptrend like that. You see it or no? We got a very, very, very clear uptrend. Over here, supply and demand zone used to hold in the Bitcoin. We break it. Now we still have that one here. Look at it, how I'm going to draw it. That one here, the very, very stronger supply and demand zone. That one here in the top. And is it the 50 moving average in 4 hours? Now, if the Bitcoin came and breaking that one, also we are going back to 30k, guys. Remember my word. Here, for yesterday, what me I told you here. Yesterday video used to be like that. Exactly like that. Yes or no? You can find all those things. Even the thumbnail of the video, we got that triangle like that. It's getting broke. Look at it. Fall down till here. Look, till today. Me personally, I haven't entered in it from here. Me enter late a little bit. Some people, they are in my Telegram and my Discord. They enter from down here. And that's the power to be with us. It's our indicator what it's saying, guys. Our indicator is telling us as we enter here at the overbought area. Level as we are in a very, very, very stronger supply and demand zone. So we enter short. If the market came like that, just came to here, couldn't break it and fall down and break down here, we will enter a short. That's it. That's the only thing I can tell you. Everything is too clear, guys. Well, that's it for that video, and please make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.